These are the DJI Goggles N3, and they will be the first entry-level set of FPV goggles by DJI. In this video, I will show you all the leaks about it, including the price and the release date. Let's get into it. This is the only image we have of. As we can see, it's a little larger than the Goggles 3 with a boxier design. That's because it won't be binocular. Instead, it will feature a single screen. We still don't know if it will be OLED, but it will likely be LCD to contain the price. The transmission system will be the O4, the same as the Goggles 3. At the top, there's a micro SD card slot, so DVR will likely be there. And finally, the last detail noticeable is the integrated battery in the headband, just like the Goggles 3 and Integra. Let's get to the price and release date. The Goggles N3 will obviously be cheaper than the higher-end binocular Goggles 3, and the expected price will be from $300 to $350. It will be a very competitive price, especially for the signal performance. The only downside of the DJI system for me is still the price of the VTX. They should, and they probably will in the future, release a cheaper entry-level one to match the goggles. Finally, the goggles are expected to be released in the first part of November. Some leakers suggest between the 5th and the 7th. Subscribe to be updated and drop a like if this video was helpful.